Every song ever written is based on chords. Chords are the inner workings of songs. By developing your chord knowledge, you are increasing your understanding of how music works. The Let's Make It Fun piano series and this channel will provide everything you need to become a great piano player. Okay, here's today's lesson. The benefits of these chord and scale exercises are enormous. Finger strength, finger dexterity, and increased chord knowledge are the top 3 benefits. And chords and broken chords can enhance any song. And because each of these exercises is focused to one small area of the keyboard, your note reading skills will develop at a much faster pace. My name is Andrew, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more great chord exercises for the piano.